Corn mash, also known as common corn salad or lamb's lettuce or mash lettuce, is a small herbaceous annual flowering plant in the honeysuckle family. It is native to Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa, where it is eaten as a leaf vegetable. Corn mash is a small to medium in size with delicate, elongated leaves that are bright green, thin, pliable, and smooth with a spatula shape, and grow in a loose rosette pattern of about 6 to 8 leaves. The ends of the leaves are typically rounded with semi-toothed edges and prominent veins that span across the surface. The stems are green, razor thin, and tender, and match lettuce is soft, velvety, and crisp with a mild herbal and nutty flavor. Corn mash will grow just about anywhere in any soil. It does need good drainage and tends to grow more leaves in a soil that is rich in compost or other organic matter. It prefers a soil pH that ranges from slightly acidic to neutral. In the vegetable garden, it companions well with carrots, cabbage, and turnips and leeks. Today it is a favorite green in France and is traditionally dressed in a simple vinaigrette with walnut or hazelnut oil and is served with roasted beets, hard-boiled eggs, and other greens such as arugula. Corn mash lettuce pairs well with walnuts, anchovies, grilled fish, hard-boiled eggs, bacon, poultry, forest mushrooms, red or yellow bell peppers, asparagus, avocado, berries, blood oranges, grapefruit, spring onions, parsley, mint, arugula, and more. It is recommended to use the leaves immediately as they are best when fresh, but they will keep 2 to 3 days when stored in the crisper drawer of the refrigerator. Corn mash is rich in iron and vitamin C and is also a source of calcium, phosphorus, and potassium as well as vitamin A and B.